Hey guys, it's Whisper, Kaya, and she's my cousin. This is not my house, this is hers, by the way. And I just fell and hurt myself.
I hurt my ankle, I need to go pee though.
And there's a flash flood alert, and I'm really scared.
Wait, what did it say, Morganton?
Yes!
I need to check my phone.
There's, if you guys want, I'm going to let you guys see the window.
I'm gonna go use the bathroom and I'll be right back, and then I'll start my video.
I'll let you see the other window. The door window.
Guys. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go use the bathroom.
Mom, Kaya's using the bathroom.
And then I'm starting my video.
And then she's gonna start her video. So you guys can see, there's mud everywhere. Right there.
Yeah. Pretty good. Pretty like a kid. Okay.
I'm talking to myself. That's my dad. he sees me. Run! But I'm still okay. I have a kitty paw, fidget spinner, and I have a kitty paw down there, 3 pounds of slime, and a redstone block and a donut. It's really scary once you, oh my god, it's flooding. This is my first video, and I seem to, why does this happen to me? Ooh, slime's on me. Why does this always happen to me, though? I am literally... outside is flooding. Yeah, it is. The dirt is. The dirt's getting flooded. It's not, literally. If you guys saw, it's on the other window. Oh my god!
I got it. Flash flood warning this area till 4:45 p.m. EDT, avoid flood areas. NWS.
Where's the NWS?
I don't know.
I'm scared. Crap.
Northwest, south, I'm pretty sure. Don't say that on the video. You're a child.
I'm a 9-year-old.
You're 8.
9.
8.
9. 9. I'm about to be 9.
About to be.
About to be, but I'm kind of 9.
But I'm about to be 10.
I just had like a cry-on moment.
Wait, no, let me see that real
With,
quick.
no.
I'm showing them what the alert looks like.
Oh, the alert. Okay.
This is what the alert looks like.
Um,
If you see that, make sure to be careful.
stand doors. Stand doors, kids.
Stay indoors.
If you can see, my pants has turned to dark blue because we got soaked.
We were playing on my bikes and my Y scooter, and like it started sprinkling. I was like, "Oh, we're fine." And then
It was like
and then
rock.
it just went boom, and it started.
And lightning
pouring.
just came like
And I was
straight.
like, run! I was like freaking out. I was like, run! Get inside, run!
And first it was like little drops of rain. Now it's this. And, it's my first video, and I'm really scared and sad. Why are you doing this?
Show them.
It's backwards still. Get back.
It's because it looked backwards because it's like a mirror. Now I'm starting my video, guys.
She's starting her video. Subscribe.
Kaya
Subscribe.
Maston.
What?
Subscribe to Kaya Maston.
Yeah. It's her last name.
Do not look up my last name, please. I'd like to stay safe.
Yes, please. I'm not telling you my last name.
Yes, please don't.
I'm not.
Even though they could probably look it up.
It's been 4 minutes and 54 seconds.
That means how long it's been on. Okay, so I just started my video.
If you can see. Ha ha ha. Oh my god.
My cousin's on a video too.
Yeah. We forever, ever getting back together. I'm a really good singer, I think.
Me too.
We're never, ever.
Getting back together.
She will not let me sing by myself. I really want to.
But
Forever, ever. The slide makes fart sounds. By the way, it's green.
ow! Phone fight. We just had a phone fight.
You just chipped my phone a little.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Right
I
there.
went up here.
Right there, you kind of chipped it. She kind of chipped my phone. I'm kind of mad.
It's not really her phone.
It's kind of my phone.
You say every phone's kind of your phone except for my phone. Oh, there's
Yeah.
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey, no! Jeffrey! Jeffrey, no! Don't go! Don't get us! Jeffrey, no! There's a flood warning! There's a flood! There's a flashlight! Jeffrey, please. Go away! Go inside! Stay indoors!
Yes, please.
I want to turn on the TV, but we can't find our remote.
A roadkill remote. Don't show the freaking messy floor.
We're gonna clean it though.
Yeah, after the video.
After the video. Well, you're getting it.
I grabbed it.
Cause it's my slime.
I got a piece.
Look at my trigger. Get me.
No, pull like it, make it spread really far.
No.
Oh, you took it. You got it. You let go.
She will not. I want my sign back. It's been 17 seconds and 7 minutes. Well,
It's been 2 minutes and 27 seconds.
I gotta go, and I'll post another video on the same day to show you guys again. Bye, guys. Subscribe to Kai Matson and Nature Girl.
And nature.